So far, Madison County, Madison City, and Huntsville City Schools will start the year virtually. But one of the biggest questions on the minds of parents is who's going to watch my kids if they're learning from home? It was one of the topics discussed among Madison County leaders today, and our Sydney Stallworth brings us the latest.
Since July 22nd, every day the number of new cases has declined.
But Madison County is still a very high-risk zone in the state. Dr. Hudson says the goal now is to keep the transmission rate of the virus as low as possible.
We need to keep it flat until there is a vaccine, and there are several trials that are making their way through perhaps some opportunity for a vaccine as early as the December-January, based on some of the information I've read.
Governor Ivey today announcing to extend the statewide masking mandate until the end of the month. Dr. Hudson says the Madison County masking ordinance has made a difference in our numbers.
The state and the surrounding counties, their decline has not been as dramatic. Why? Because they didn't start the serious masking until about a week or so after Madison County did.
Madison Mayor Paul Finley talks about some of the issues parents are facing as the first day of school approaches. The top concern, childcare.
The difficulty that a lot of parents feel when it comes to trying to manage working and managing their children.
Some people are stepping up to watch their neighbors' kids. Mayor Finley gives resources.
The website is dhr.alabama.gov. And in turn, you can go to childcare. There's a tab for that. It gives you all the information that you would need as someone who might want to support the opportunity to watch kids.
When asked about the possibility of students playing sports this year and what he would do as a parent, Mayor Finley had this to say.
Personally, I would do everything I could to allow them to play as long as the coaches and the teams were doing what they could to keep them distanced. But I would also fully respect, as I do with our school systems right now, that sometimes they have to make decisions that don't make everybody happy, but keep as many people as they can healthy.
Putting the Valley first, Sydney Stallworth, WZDX News.